Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the Mani by Me. This is from Maniology. This is the monthly subscription box, and this is December's box. But yeah, I think it's something to do with like zodiac and like floral, I think. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get this open. Alright, so let's take a look. Ooh. So the box looks a little different from what I remember. It's usually like a green inside, like a teal kind of green. So this is the little card that we get here. Super cute. Look at that, the moon. Got little butterflies.
So special delivery, our December 2023 birthday bouquet collection is a tribute to the universe's most timeless beauty, you. 2 subscriber-exclusive stamping plates bring the heavens and earth together with zodiac constellations, astral patterns, and monthly birth flowers for a celestial spin on botanical elegance.
So we get the 2 polishes here. Foxglove, it's going to be a majestic purple with a duochrome finish. And then Willow is a light green stamping polish with a duochrome finish.
Don't blow out the candles just yet. Our bonus gift of the month is a special extra large monocle nail stamper. Oh, nice. Featuring a limited edition Mani by Me birthday bouquet design. This exclusive stamper lets you stamp with the star-powered ethereal Mani magic.
All right, excited for that. And then we always get a little inspo card here. So yeah, it's like floral and like astrology, and that just shows you how to get the design. So we're gonna go ahead and get this open. All right. Oh, we didn't get any stickers this month. Usually I'm used to getting the stickers, but all right, so we got the polishes. I'm gonna take a look at this is the free gift this month. I'm so excited that we get another stamper and scraper. Oh yeah, this is real big. Looks really big. Look at the scraper card, how beautiful. It's like a ombre and it's got the butterfly. Oh, that's beautiful. Stamper here, look how pretty that is. And then we're gonna go ahead and look at the polishes. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So Foxglove, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. I do not have a purple like this in my collection. And then we have Willow, which is this beautiful green, and this one has the duochrome finish. Yeah, I love adding to my collection. These are beautiful. And then I like to go in order. So this is plate X or MXM 117. Oh, okay, it does tell you the signs. I was afraid it wasn't going to say the name, so I was like, how am I going to tell? But yeah, Capricorn, I'm Aquarius, so that's it there. And then super cool. And then, oh, look at it, it's got the cat and the butterfly. Very pretty, I love it. And of course the 4-pointed stars, which I love. The next one is MXM 118. And so now it goes by month. We have January, February, March, and then it goes this way. So you can find your little flower there. This one's mine here. And then it just has some little bows and stuff down here. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get my stuff ready here, and we'll go ahead and swatch the polishes. So before we swatch, I forgot, oh my gosh, I had this to the side, but I did a Black Friday purchase, and so yeah, I wanted to show you what I got real quick. A lot of stuff was, I went to like the sale part, and then they were having 30% off, like with a code. So I did get another sticky base, because mine is, I mean, I still have quite a bit. It's not halfway, but I still like to keep one, you know, while it was on sale and they had the code. So yeah, I got the sticky base. So yeah, it says right there, mini sticky stamper station. So this is what it has. Oops. It's got the paper there you could stamp and write like your little set you're gonna do, and then you peel it and it's sticky right here. So that's what you can use to wipe your stamper off. And then I got a bunch of plates. They had quite a bit of plates on sale. This is a Halloween one. I'm just gonna show that real quick. This is like, I think it was called like Old School Halloween or Classic. But yeah, look how cool that is. I guess it's a collab with Tanya Wish. I'm not sure who that is, but just a bunch of flowers, and it's got like little strawberries. And then this is the one I actually used. Shoot, I gotta clean it. This is the one I used for my collab I did for Remembering Our Pets. My cat set I did, Remembering My Cat Bella. I used this for my Frenchies, and it's got little, look at the little Halloween stuff, super cute. And then these two came together. It was a set, and I've been wanting to do like coffee or hot chocolate nails. So yeah, look at this is coffee. Super cute. It's M288, says powered by coffee, but first coffee, just super cute. I've been wanting this for a while, and they put it on sale, so I was like, I'm just gonna get it. And then this is a boba one. But yeah, look at this. Oh my god. I just thought, oh my god, I was busting up. I was cracking up. So yeah, it's super funny, and oh, it's just cute with a little cat with its boba. And then we have, this is like a fall one here. It's got pumpkins, it's got little acorns, it's got little mushrooms, just little, oh, it's got little coffee cups there. That's cute. And then this was on sale for $10. Tinsel Time, it's their holiday little kit here was on sale, so I had to grab that. This just has some instructions, and it shows you how to stamp and clean your stampers and all that. So yeah, this is the plate, M420. Look at that, Merry Christmas. It's got the little reindeer with Santa, gingerbread man, ho-ho, best Christmas wishes. Look how cute. Another one to add to my Christmas collection. And then it comes with the stamper, the ice cube stamper, and the little scraper. Let me see. Yeah. I'm not going to try to struggle with it right now. And then, oh my gosh, everything's hard to get out. Let me see. And then it just comes with the little duo. It never says what this is, but I believe it's a top coat, the no smudge top coat, and then you get a red color there. So yeah, it just comes out like that. So yeah, I thought that was good for 10 bucks. You get this, you know, can never have enough scrapers and stampers. And then you got the little holiday plate. I gotta use that too pretty soon. And then I did pick up some more stamping polishes. Like I said, I tried to look for ones that were on sale. And so I got this little, I think this was actually no, I've got these separately. This one's called Front Page, and it's like a very light gray. I don't have many grays, so. Toko Toucan. It's like a coppery kind of, oh, it's actually like a beigey color. I need to, oh yeah, that's pretty. I don't have anything like that with that shimmer. Blue Ribbon. I don't have a baby blue at all, like anything like this, so yeah. Oh yeah, this was a set. I believe this was a set. And look how beautiful these colors are. So I got this light purple. I don't have a light purple from them. Flourish. Or any of my stamping polishes. Oh, look at this. And then we got this beautiful blue, Awaken. Oh, look how pretty it is. Very, very pretty, creamy. And then this beautiful Blossom. Look how beautiful this is. I don't have a color like this either. But yeah, so yeah, we'll go ahead and stamp the other ones, and then maybe we'll stamp these too to look at, so you can see the colors better. So I'll be right back. All right, so these are all the beautiful stamping polishes here. So now we're going to get into the demo. So I went ahead and already put the bases down. We have Milky Way here on the pinky. Sorry, I was trying to fit it in the camera there. Silver Magic there, that beautiful glitter. And I also put Rosemary Embrace on the middle finger, and then I believe as the base on the ring finger, that Sugar Sugar, that beautiful holographic. So now we're going to go in and do this beautiful flower design. I'm going to do it in white for the outline, and then I'm going to do some reverse stamping. I actually like the way it came out with the white. It kind of reminded me of lace. I don't know, it looked really, really pretty, I thought. So yeah, I really like the way it turned out. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up what I don't want on the stamper, and then we're going to go in and do some reverse stamping. And so now for the middle of the flower, I'm using Maui Gold. It's one of my favorite yellow stamping polishes. It's a very beautiful yellow. Just putting that right in the middle there. And then I did already apply some sticky base. Oh no, you know what? I left the polish tacky after it cured. So then it just stuck right to the nail. But look, doesn't that look cool? I don't know. I just think with the white outline, it looks really, really cool. I really like the way it came out. So yeah, now I'm going to do the same thing to the butterfly. I'm going to do a white outline, and I'm just going to fill it in with the purple. All right, doesn't that look cool? I just love the way the white outline looks. Oh my gosh, I don't know, for springtime, yeah, I'm gonna be stamping like that. I don't know, I like the way it looks. I thought it came out really cool. So yeah, it's always fun to experiment and find things, you know, things that you like. So yeah, instead of doing the black, I thought the black was just gonna be too harsh. So yeah, I like the way the white came out. So now I'm just taking the green, and I'm just doing some of these little stars just around the nail. And that's all I'm going to do for that nail. I like the way it was just simple with the flower like that and the little butterfly. So now we're going to do this Aquarius sign, and we're doing it half purple and then half green. It says Aquarius, and then it has the little symbols there. I was trying to show like a close-up, but yeah, I like the way it looked against the holographic. So now we're going to do the little kitty. I had to do the kitty because I just lost my baby Patrick. So yeah, I had to do a little kitty here. So yeah, I did the same thing. I did it with the white, and then I'm filling it in with the purple. And then it has the little stars, and oh, I just thought it was so cute. And then yeah, the little moon too. So yeah, but look at, oh, I just love it. So cute. And then I'm gonna just go in with the green and just do some more of the little stars just around the nail here, just to add a little bit of color. Just doing simple. I just wanted to see what the designs look like, but I like these colors that I chose, the gray and kind of silver, just something different. I always end up doing nude, so I was like, let me do something different. I love gray, so thought it came out cute. And so now on the index finger, we're going to go in with the plate that has the month on it. And I'm going to do February in black. Just because the purple and the green were too translucent to see against the glitter. So yeah, I just went ahead and did the February there. And I tried to zoom in so you could see. And then I'm going to go in with my 3 little flowers for my birthday month. And then I did end up doing these in black because just against the glittery background, I think the black stood out a lot more. And I'm just going to be filling in the flowers with some different colors. Alright, so yeah, I did like the way that came out against the glitter. And then I'm just going to do this little bow here. It has polka dots on it, and just to add something to the tip there. But yes, this is the finished little set here. I think they came out cute. I love the polishes this month. Very beautiful colors. So yes, check out Maniology. The monthly box is definitely worth it. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.